Good morning, children. I'm your facilitator from the Millennium family, and today I am going to start the lesson by asking you some riddles. So, listen carefully and let's see who's going to tell the answer first. So, your first question is I am round in shape, I bounce, and children play with me. So, who can tell me the correct answer? Round in shape, children play with it, and it bounces. Oh, yes, you are right. Very smart. That's a ball. Okay, so I'm moving on to the second question. You see me in every house. I have doors and windows. I start with the letter W. Yes, it is a little tricky one. Think, think. Oh, yeah, you've got the right answer. It's a wall. A wall has doors and windows inside the house. Perfect. So, are you ready for the third question? I am big with lots of seats in me. You sit inside me and watch movies. Ah, very easy. Yes, it's a cinema hall or a movie hall. Yeah. So, the fourth question for you. I have lots of shops in me. I have restaurants and cinema halls in me. I start with the letter M. It has made you think. What is it? Oh, wonderful. You know all the right answers. Yes, it is a mall. Yeah, so let's look at all the answers. Ball, wall, hall, and mall. So can you identify the common sound in all these words? I'm going to repeat them once again. Hear carefully, okay? Ball, wall, hall, mall. Which is the common sound? Yes, you are very smart. Clap for yourself. Good. The common sound is all. So any guesses what we are going to do today? Today we are going to start a new chapter, Ball in the Hall. Okay? And we are going to learn all sound words. So let's start looking at the all sound words. Yes, you all know that's a football. So there's a ball, all, ball. What's happening to the boy? He has stepped on the banana peel and what happened? Yeah, he's going to fall. All, fall. Have you ever fallen? Who has fallen? While playing with your friends, have you ever fallen in the ground? Or while running, you just tripped and fell? Yeah? Alright, you can tell more about your falls to your parents. What's that? All. All means all the people, all the children. Yes? When we are talking of everybody present, then we say all. I like all the animals. I want all the flowers. I like to read all the books. I will call all my friends on my birthday. Yeah? Alright. Let's move to the next one. Mall. Do you know what is a mall? Yes, you just guessed the right answer. You already know what is a mall. We go to the mall for shopping. We sometimes go to watch movies. We sometimes go to eat there. Yeah, we have a lot of fun with our family whenever we go to the mall. I like going to the mall on Sundays. Yeah, what is that? Wall. And who can tell me what is a wall made of? The wall is made of bricks. Do you have walls in your house? Yes, we all have walls. Without walls, we can't make rooms or houses. Yeah. And next to the wall, which is the next word? Stall. S-T. All. Stall. What's a stall? A stall is a temporary shop. A shop that you can probably move around. Yes, or you can close it and then you can shift it easily. Have you seen there are stalls outside your school sometimes? There are vendors carrying things on a stall, on a cart. And we have seen a fruit stall, vegetable stall. There are chaat stalls also. Have you ever eaten chaat from a chaat stall? Yeah. All right. Okay, so there's a monkey and the monkey's baby is sitting on the monkey's shoulders and they are looking at the giraffe. So who can tell me what are they thinking about the giraffe? What are they thinking about the giraffe? That the giraffe is so tall. All tall. All tall. And look at the elephant. It is big. And tell me about the mouse. The mouse is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Perfect. Alright, so there are some more all sound words. All, call. All, call. Call means when we are talking to somebody over phone, it is a call. And sometimes we call out to somebody. You call out, your teacher calls out your name. Yes, Aryan, you give me the answer. So she is calling you. All right. What is the next picture there? It's a big room with lot of chairs. What is a very big room with a lot of chairs called? Hall. All. Hall. All. Hall. Perfect. So you've learned so many all sound words today. Now let's move to your book. Open your book on this chapter and there is a rhyme given. I'm going to read it out and you are going to guess the right answer and write the answer in the space given there. What am I? Children love to see me fall. I am both big and small. I end with the word all. What am I? I can bounce in the hall. You can throw me at the wall. You can buy me from the mall. What am I? Yes, I am a... Correct. I am a wall. I am a ball. Yes, children, you are learning very fast. I'm so happy. Okay, now there's an activity given in your book. So, you have to fill up the sentences with the right words. I have a... So just see what will come in that space. I have a, and the words are given in the box. Ball, small, call, ball, hall and tall. You can't say I have a call, I have a small, I have a hall. I have a ball. So ball is the right answer. Let us call. Whom will you call? You call your friends when you have a ball to play? Yes. So let us call. Who is this child going to call? The ant. So this child is going to call the ant. And what is the size of the ant? Small. You are right. And the giraffe? Oh, perfect. You know the right answers. And the giraffe? Tall. Together in the... So where are you going to play together? In the hall. And play with the... What are they going to play with? Ball. Perfect. So I have a ball. Let us call the ant small and the giraffe tall together in the hall and play with a ball. Perfect. Alright. So now you have to write all the all sound words that you've learned today in your book on page 46 and complete the exercise given on page 45. Thank you. Bye-bye.